Alright, here she is. It's all completed. See the air fire down there. Now it's had a bit of a run, but it's still quite cold. So just holds the revs up at about 1800, 1900 beautifully, and then just drops down and settles into a beautiful 1400 idle. It does this hot, cold or indifferent. Can't really see it, now it's a bit dark. That's where the fuel pump's mounted. Like I said, it's quite cold. Give it a rev, it's beautiful. That's virtually cold. There you go.